Hey everyone, it's Linda Medeiros with What's Linda Cooking and director with the Pampered Chef. I am here making, I got my thing on. There we go. I am making a rotisserie chicken. Now I'm hoping this is going to come out okay because it's supposed to be a 4-pound, but I have a 5-pounder. So we're going to try to get it in the air fryer, see if it'll work okay. I've got it trussed up. Let me show you. I got it really trussed up really well right here with some Italian seasoning and stuff like that on it. So we're gonna try to put this in the rotisserie and we're gonna see if if it will fit. Now if you do not have the air fryer, this is our Deluxe Air Fryer and I'm in love with it because I can do rotisserie, I could do air frying, I could do baking, I could do toasting, I could do all kinds of stuff with it. I love it. I love it for reheating. It is phenomenal. And I love fried chicken, so I make fried chicken in it and I really love it. But for the rotisserie chicken, if you just get it for a rotisserie chicken, it is worth it because it comes out crispy all over. So I am hoping this will fit in here because if it doesn't, then, or if you don't have the Deluxe Air Fryer yet, then what you can do is you can roast it in a pan. You're not gonna get the crispiness all over the place, all over it, but it will come out nice too, but not as good as in the rotisserie. So I'm gonna try to do this and I'm gonna show you how to put this in. Hopefully I have this right and we will see what happens. Okay, so, oh, and I've got this on wrong. Let's see. Let me see if I can grab this another way. Okay. No, this is not live TV, but I don't edit that much. So we're going to put this, there's a little rotisserie thing right in here. So I'm going to put that right in there and then put this, and it should, nope, not in. Okay. Then we're going to shut it, and then we're going to hit rotisserie. And I'm actually going to do it more longer because this is a larger chicken. And we're going to do that. So we're going to set that. And it is actually, you can't see it, but I can see it. It's actually going around. So it is in there right. So I like that feature of it. And so instead of getting, let me take my glove off. Instead of getting one of those chickens that has been sitting under lights forever in plastic, you can get, you can make your own at home, or you can roast it, like I said. And you're gonna see over the next couple of nights what I'm gonna be doing with the leftovers. So we're actually gonna be cooking this, and then I'm gonna be doing some stuff with the leftovers for the next couple of nights because I love roasted chickens because these were on sale for like 49 cents a pound. So I got this for like $2.50, what cheap meat right there. And I'm going to then, make some risotto maybe tomorrow night and maybe a chicken stew the next night. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it comes out, but it is going and I'm just gonna set it. And we're actually just gonna have this with a salad. Unless my husband wants something else with it, if he wants some roasted veggies, I may roast some veggies, but I think I'm just gonna do it with a really, really nice salad and just have this kind of, just do it that way because we have a lot of salad greens. So that's what we're gonna do. What are you guys having for dinner tonight? And is there anything that you need help with? And I can help you over the next few nights, or if you have something, call me. You can, private message me and say, Linda, I have this in my kitchen. I have no clue what to cook. That's what I'm here for. I can give you ideas and that sort of thing. So bye for now, and I will show you when this is done. Okay, it is done. Now I was not able to do the rotisserie because it ended up getting stuck. So I just kept it in the air fryer and put it on the bottom rack and let that go. And I added a little more time onto it, and there it is. And actually, when I added more time onto it, I flipped it over, so now the back is nice and crispy like the top was. So I like that too. And then we're just kind of serving it with a simple salad. I've got a lot of lettuce, the spring mix that I'm doing. So I've got, it's just some stuff in there for that. And then you'll see some of the leftovers that I'm going to be doing with this because this is going to actually last us a little bit. There's only 3 of us eating it, so it's going to last us a little bit. So this is my rotisserie, my roasted chicken done in the air fryer. again, what are you having tonight? And if you are seeing this on a show or whatever, comment. If you're seeing it on Facebook, share, like. Same thing on YouTube, share, like, subscribe. Sharing is caring. That's always great. And I will talk to you later. Bye for now.